What's up? What's up, ladies and gentlemen? We gotta pull an engine out of the Supra. We're gonna start today. It's our boy Dexter from down the street with the body shop. So we're gonna go get his Supra. Well, it's his cousin's Supra. And we're gonna bring it over here later. We're gonna pull the engine out. So we gotta go to get a couple supplies real quick. So we got. Yep. Yes, sir. What's going on? Okay. 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 So it's a nice neighborhood. Right here, this is where our boy Dexter is. We're gonna pick up the Supra, bring it back to the shop, and we gonna pull the motor out.
Ready?
Yes, sir. Super ready. Here's the car right here.
Check in the car and see if the keys are in it. Yeah, I got it.
You got it?
Nope.
No?
It's in the car.
All right. You want me to start now or wait till they?
No, they'll pull out for you.
Okay.
Go ahead.
All right. You say you gotta do something with the bed.
I gotta hold the battery, take off the alarm when I put it up.
Oh, wait, hold on. I don't see the keys.
Alright, man.
Yeah.
Go ahead, try to start it.
All right.
Too much driving to Remember, put everything in a box.
Okay, I will. This thing is nice. What's up? I need to take the bike back. Yeah. Hey, this is a Supra. This is one of JDM's most loved cars ever. People, this is a 1990 right here. It's got electric seats, blue interior. Let me get this to the shop though. I don't want to let it run for too long. See the headlines? I like doing that with the headlights. I just love it. I love it so much. I love it. I don't want to do too much now. Why are you beeping? Yeah, he painted this whole thing. Disconnect the battery. Take that off for now. All right, yeah, this is gonna be the next car we pull in. After we get that exhaust done and welded together, we're gonna pull out this engine transmission. The guy wants to put a new one in. He's building an engine transmission powertrain thing for it right now or something like that. I don't know. They just asked us to pull it out. We're gonna pull it out for them. It's a beautiful car though.